Welcome to our next video. You know by now the general rules for forming the past tense of verbs. There are, however, 15 verbs whose past tense is formed with the help of the letter E. To begin with, you need to learn at least 9 of them by heart. Ma olin, I was. Sa olid, you were. Ta oli, he or she was. Me olime, we were. Te olite, you were. Nad olid, they were. All the following verbs follow the same pattern. Ma tulin, I came. Ma tegin, I did. Ma nägin, I saw. Ma pidin, I had to. Ma sain, I got. Ma jõin, I drank. Ma tõin, I brought. Ma sõin, I ate. Thank you for watching. Bye.